up with you?
Yeah, homie. Yeah. It's good to see you back.
No homie love? No hug?
Oh, for sure, my nigga. My bad. What's cracking with you?
Hey, man, what you strapped for?
Man, some pizza place keeps paying no hard hit up, man. Shit is beautiful. Teach on a lesson. Fucking Grove Street. You damn?
I'm always down.
Let's go, bitch. Hey, show me how they drive on the East Coast, homie.
गाइस हमें इस कार में बैठकर मिशन पे जाना होगा।
Hey, O.R. still run the barbershop?
Like a raggedy ass motherfucker.
मुझे वो पीले रंग का बॉक्स दिख रहा है, हमने वहाँ जाना है।
Yeah, I think I'll get cut up.
देखिए गाइस हम वहाँ पहुँचने वाले हैं।
You hit me.
Sit down, son. What you want done? I think Beverly would have approved. Hope you stick around longer. Shit! I told you he was crazy. And you jacked up. And what's this? Shit look ridiculous. No respect for the hood. All clean as shit. Looking too skinny, CJ. I want to get us something to eat. I'm gonna finish this. Then I'm gonna take care of business.
देखिए गाइस हमने उस पिज़्ज़ा की दुकान में जाना है।
Come on, just pick something. Watch it, it's hot.
Give up the money. It's a raid.
Ryder, not this again.
It ain't me, fool.
No one else is that small. I feel sorry for your dad.
Shit, you crazy. Let's get up out of here.
Same old CJ. Buster. Straight Buster. Oh, shit. Run.
This pizza parlor's no pushover.
What you waiting for, fool? Take us back to the Grove, motherfucker.
गाइस हमें वो पीले रंग का डॉट दिख रहा है ना, वहाँ जाना है।
Better drop by and see Sweet. You've been yapping on about that graffiti too. Later, homie.
गाइस अब हम मिलेंगे गई वीडियो में। इस वीडियो को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब किएगा।